To start the installation of Visual Studio Code, open its official download website. On the Windows section of the site, select the System Installer. In most cases, the correct architecture will be x64, since ARM processors for Windows are still not very common. Once you click the button, the download will start automatically. Wait until the download finishes. Then open the downloaded installer, allow administrative privileges, then accept the license agreement and click Next. Do not change the default installation folder. If you accidentally change it, close the installer and start again. Click Next 2 more times. When asked to select additional options, make sure to check the boxes to add the Open with Code action in the Windows context menu for both files and folders. Also ensure that Register Code as an editor for supported file types and Add to Path are checked. Once all the necessary options are selected, click Next, then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Uncheck Launch Visual Studio Code, then click Finish. Reboot your PC. Your installation is now complete.